Hello everyone, I've finally finished my Pandemonium of Parakeets, number 9 in the Cheeky Bird Collective Noun series. And it just took a long time because all these sticky out bits, the tail and wing feathers, going around them with the opus vermiculatum took forever. And someone on Facebook said good keystoning. And whilst I know what that means and what she meant, I find it a real oxymoron to use the term because my son Tom is now a fully qualified architect, so I feel the need to point out that a keystone is one, hence its name. But it's just something else that I'm going to have to get over, along with talking about grout as though it's the only important element in a mosaic. Anyway, that's me and my soapbox. It's done, and I hope you'll agree that these parakeets are really causing pandemonium.